So guys, welcome back to the channel CAD Comrade, and in today's video we're going to learn about how to change AutoCAD dimension units. So as you saw on my last video that how to change units in the whole AutoCAD file, today we are going to focus on a single dimension. So for that what you have to do is just select the dimension that you want to change the units of, and just type properties in the command line, and you will get this kind of side box available right over here. So scroll down till the option of primary units, and in that you have to go to dim units, and in that you will get sorry, I'm having a sore throat today. And in that you'll get one, two, three, four, five, and six options of changing the units of the dimensions. You will get first is scientific unit, decimal unit, engineering unit, architecture unit, which is both the same, and a fractional unit. These are the five top used things that is used in any architectural AutoCAD drawing. So that was it for the video. So just for a quick recap, select properties, primary unit, and change to your desired unit. That was it for the video, and if you liked it then share it with someone who may need.